Hi, hello. This is my first video, and today I'm about to solo raid a Gengar. It's tier 3. Alright, let's begin the fight. I'm gonna use Mewtwo. This one with Confusion and Shadow Ball. Alright, that's the first Shadow Ball. I think for solo raiding you need to at least land 2 times charge attack if it's 1 bar, but if it's 2 bar like this, you need at least 4. Alright, this is the 3rd Shadow Ball. Alright, I'm just keep attacking with Confusion to prepare for the next Shadow Ball. Right, that's the 4th Shadow Ball. I think I can manage to land one more. Oh no, it's Focus Blast. Yeah, you got 4 Shadow Ball. Next one is Slowking with Confusion and Psychic. It needs to at least land 2 times Psychic. Right, that's the first one. It's gonna keep attacking with Confusion. Yeah, it's super effective against him. Oh, right, go and touch it. Oh no, it's a little too late. Right, at least he got the 2nd Psychic. Just keep attacking because he's about to faint any moment. Yeah. Right, the 3rd monster is Executor with Extra Sensory and Psychic. Oh, come on, touch. Alright, yeah. Yep, that's the 1st Psychic. Alright, I'm just gonna keep attacking, and Extra Sensory, its Psychic attack is super effective against it. Alright. Ooh, the Focus Blast. Come on, touch, yes. Oop, that's the 2nd Psychic. Alright. Maybe I can manage to land the 3rd one. Come on. Yeah. Oh, touch that. Alright. This is the 3rd Psychic. Right. That'll make the next Pokemon's life a little bit easier. Yeah, the next one is still Executor with Extra Sensory and Psychic as the charge move. Ooh, touch that. Come on. Yep. Alright. 1st Psychic needs to land at least 1 more time. 2 will be better, yeah? Yeah, that's the 2nd Confusion. Oh no, I should have muted that. What's up, chat? Oh, no. Until later to dodge that. Right? Okay, I think I could manage to end the fight with this one. Right. Psychic. Yep. I think 1 more charged attack will do. Right, here it is. This Psychic. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep, fight's over. Alright, let's see. What do we got here? You got Golden Rush. Oh, Fast TM. To revive. 12 Super Potion and 500 Stardust. Yeah, that's pretty interesting because tier 3 will give you reward. Pretty good reward. I'm looking for the TM. We're at the 12 balls. It's 1847. Alright, yeah. This is one of my favorites, so I'm gonna use the pineapple. Oops, yeah. Maybe you're wondering why I didn't use a curve throw. Now I'm just gonna use a straight throw. Right, raspberries. Yep. Oh no, I threw that little too early. Right, I'm gonna wait for it. Yep, next. This time too little too late. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw straight throw. It's 1847, that's pretty interesting because when I'm raiding Gengar the daytime, I got only 1400 CP, but given that it's evening now, the Gengar is, oh, my finger slipped. Yeah, the Gengar is 1800 CP. Yeah, I'm using Golden Rush. I'm not gonna play around with them anymore, but still gonna use straight throw. Come on, attack. I'm just gonna give you this white sweet ball. Yep. See, nice throw. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. that in the back. It's 1847, 10 candies, and it's Pokemon Blast. I actually need a Shadow Ball, yeah. Yep, that's my Solar Raid in Gengar. I think that's pretty interesting. I'll see you again in the next video. No, I'm gonna make another Tier 3 Solar Raids. Right, thanks for watching.